Dr. Nalley, where do I even start with someone as amazing as her? She is so strong to have gone through all the things that she's done in her life and to keep going with such momentum at her stature and her position. She's brought so many events and so many programs to the attention of younger students, especially female students, to encourage more women to go into STEM as they grow older. And she was one of the reasons I was able to keep going through my 4 years of undergrad as a chemistry student. And she is such a people's person. She's so personable. She loves to tell stories and say jokes and put on magic shows with flames and lightning of sorts. And she just loves to have fun. And she likes to coin things such as Okie logic, where she basically is kind of making things up as she goes. And I couldn't imagine the amount of things that she has going on in her head in one day, the 10,000 things that go on. She's kind of like a bullet train. She just keeps going. And that's such a motivation for me as a younger student in my undergrad career at Cameron University to go through chemistry, and then that is the role model that is set, that is a standard for her to do all of these things that, maybe 5 people couldn't even accomplish, but she is able to do it herself, and that in itself is amazing. And she never does anything halfway. She always does it 100%, and she gives everything that she can just for her love of teaching and for her love of her job and the curriculum that she would like to continue for the future generations. So I have been very lucky to have her as a mentor when I worked for her in 2 consecutive summers for her summer camps that she ran for middle school and high school female students to get themselves acclimated to science so that maybe, they could go into it in college if they choose to do so. And she makes everything an interesting and fun time. And I've been honored to get to know her during my years of undergrad, and I would never forget her as far as I go after graduate.
Dr. Nalley is an amazing person and colleague. Her energy and youthful excitement are infectious to say the least. As they say, if longevity is the hallmark of an exceptional career, Dr. Nalley will be right there. She has been serving Cameron and the Cameron community for more than 55 years and counting. It's mind-boggling and unbelievable. Dr. Nalley, thank you for inspiring generation of students at Cameron University and beyond. And thank you for being such a valued colleague. You thoroughly deserve this recognition and enjoy every moment. We are proud of you. I can go on and on, but I wish you the very best in every walk of your life. Congratulations.
There's not much that can be said about Dr. Nalley that hasn't already been said by everyone else. But what I can say is that when I started my college journey, I was unsure if I was able or capable. Dr. Nalley was that rock that made sure that I understood that I was capable. And the way she teaches is so different from anything I've ever seen. She makes you feel like you're working in a business, and the way she tells you, she ties it into everything that you can use in the real world. And for that, I'm just grateful. And I'm an older student, and I hope this doesn't get taken the wrong way, but seeing someone older and who has worked in the field for so long gives me hope that even though I'm a little bit older, I'll have more time to really build a career and just love what I'm doing as much as Dr. Nalley does.
I want to express my gratitude and admiration to Dr. Nalley, whose dedication has paved the way for so many. She embodies perseverance and a strong commitment to mentoring undergraduate students like myself. She not only inspired me, but also guided me toward opportunities I never imagined possible. Her impact extends far beyond the lab, and I thank her every day for pushing me to challenge myself in the field of chemistry and show my siblings that you can do anything regardless of what you look like or where you came from.
In her more than 50-year career at Cameron University, Dr. Nalley has exemplified the adage, lead by example. She has mentored hundreds of undergraduate students in research and chemistry. Many have presented posters or presentations at local, regional, or national meetings of the American Chemical Society. This impressive list of over 300 presentations, posters, and publications is indicative of the impact that she has had on the lives of these students as they progress on to graduate school, professional schools, or directly into careers in the chemical sciences. Dr. Nalley always encourages collaboration because she knows what even a small group of dedicated people can accomplish when they work together. She has worked with industry partners, other universities, and of course her colleagues both inside and out of her home department at Cameron University, never wavering from her number one goal, which is student success. In addition to the research mentoring with Cameron University students, Dr. Nalley also works with high school students. She's operated a summer camp, the Nano Explorers, for over 30 years, which provides an immersive STEM experience for students prior to starting their college education. Dr. Nalley continues to have a profound impact on generations of chemists and educators.
It has been an absolute wonder getting to know Dr. Nalley over my last few years here at Cameron University. It has been fantastic getting to spend time with her in both the research lab and just in the interaction area where she tells us so many things about life. There's no finer mentor or instructor here on campus, and she has done so many things to honor our university throughout her tenure here. It has been absolutely fantastic to hear all her wonderful stories about all the things she's done in her life. It is quite exceptional. And I can say without a doubt in my mind that there is no finer person here at Cameron University. Thank you, Dr. Nalley.
I have a lot to say about Dr. Nalley, but I will just share one story today. I first met Dr. Nalley in the fall of 2021 during my first week at Cameron. She walked into my office and told me that she was going to do something great for me. Then she said, "You can say no if you want to, but I think this is great for you." She explained that she had a student who wanted to do research, and she had already decided that I would be the faculty mentor. She assured me that she would help supervise, but in that moment, I was not so ready. I said yes anyways. But end of that semester, we had completed a great research project together. Since then, we have worked on so many initiatives, summer academies, she called her babies, which she hoped I will continue once she retires, if she ever does. And outreach activities like chemistry magic shows for school students. Even after more than 56 years of service, Dr. Nalley still wants to do more for the community, and I want to thank her for getting me involved in these projects and for training me along the way. And I truly hope she continues to inspire and lead for many more years to come. Thank you, Dr. Nalley.
Dr. Ann Nalley has been a member of the Cameron University faculty for over 50 years. She is truly a fixture on the CU campus and in the community of Lawton in Southwest Oklahoma. As the first female president of the American Chemical Society, she is known nationally as well. However, she has truly left her mark through her gift of teaching college students, but also through summer camps that she has provided for decades to school-aged children, where she sparks a curiosity for science and specifically chemistry through her innovative and hands-on science camps with magic shows, boat races, and bridge building activities. Her colorful and engaging personality keeps students and their parents coming back for more. She has taught siblings and children and grandchildren of previous students through multiple generations and left a legacy of chemistry students who have become dentists, doctors, researchers, and other professionals who continue to give back to our community and beyond. Dr. Nalley's legacy of teaching truly cannot be understated as she continues to give back to our campus and the field of chemistry as a whole.
And more than anything else, I want you to know how much I admire you and what you've accomplished in your career. I've had the privilege of watching you inspire students for a lot of years now. And you teach them that science, even chemistry, can be a lot of fun. But maybe even more importantly, you teach them that they can have a seat at the table, that they can be researchers, that they can be problem solvers, that they can do amazing things with their lives and with their careers, regardless of where they come from or what their background might be. And that has been incredible to watch. You have been a tremendous role model. You've been a wonderful colleague. and I couldn't be happier that you're being honored in San Diego today. I hope you enjoy it.
One of my biggest pleasures this year has been getting to know Dr. Nalley. She is a force to be reckoned with, as those of you who are honoring her understand. I have found Dr. Nalley to be not just a learned scholar, an incredible educator, but one feisty human being. We have benefited from her tenure here at Cameron, and hundreds of students have benefited from her love of learning and sharing that love with her own students. Thank you, Dr. Nalley, for giving your heart and soul and your life to Cameron University.